The recipe for cheese and onion pasties is now on screen. Right guys, the first job we do, got your flour. What you're going to do is put a pinch of salt into the flour. And now we're going to sieve the flour. Though most these days flour does come pre-sieved really, if it's been in supermarkets for a while, they tend to be very lumpy because they've been lying around for a while. But like for this, there's not much lumps in it because it's good quality flour. Now we'll just do that again. Put that back in the bowl. Now for the pie pastry, obviously we've got lard. So that has to be oiled up with the water. Now we'll go and pop that into a microwave. Right. Should be in the microwave for around about 5 minutes, give or take. Right guys, that's long enough. Right guys, now what you want to do is make a little well in the middle. And just add in the liquid. Like that. And then you want to bring it into the middle. Many of you guys have made concrete before or cement. It's basically the same sort of thing, you're sort of working it in. Just gently for now. Right, work this in. Just pick up all the bits first, and then we'll get our hand. That's sort of like, you can see it's already starting to go into that nice paste. And what it wants to be like is like Plasticine. Get your hands in it. Just gently go around. And that's it, guys. And that's what we do. Now, all you're going to do now, we let that cool down before we use it. First thing you do, guys, is blanch off your vegetables by popping in your vegetables into hot boiling water for 1 minute and then taking them back out. Let your vegetables strain and cool down for at least half an hour before using them. Right, we've got the sweet potato and onions in. Now we're mixing in the cheese. Also we want 2 tablespoons of Parmesan. Good pinch of salt. Some pepper. And some mustard.
Now all we do is just give this a good stir around. And that's your filling for your cheese and onion. Right guys, this is the pastry we done earlier. Let's scale it 4 ounces each. Small piece round. Right, we'll just pin these out now. They want to be around about 3 millimeters thick. It doesn't matter if they're a little bit thicker. Well, I haven't got a cutter. This is 17 centimeters round. So basically speaking, what you do is pop it on, each one, push in, and just get a knife to go around it. It's almost like Plasticine, this is. That's what's good about this pastry. Do now guys, we'll go around the outside with them with egg wash. Like that. And now we get our cheese and onion filling. Drop some in each one. try and keep all the filling inside. Like that. You're sort of making it like a pasty, which is upright really, to start with. Again, the cheese and onion is the same as a Cornish pasty, finished the same. Because we're using the same type of pastry, the Cornish pasty pastry, pie pastry, it does, you know, you really want to do the pie, the pasty the same way. There may be other methods that people do than this, but this is the way I always do them. Right then, part. And then basically speaking, a bit too much flour now. Just fold over your thumb. Like that. Over your thumb. Right, now we get ourselves a tray, guys. The important thing is to put a hole in them. Of course, you can't tell the difference now between the cheese and onion and the Cornish pasty. They'll have to guess. I know the difference. When they come out the oven, I'll mark them. Or I could do the surprise. Don't say nothing and see what happens. Especially if you're a vegetarian, you get a Cornish pasty. Right guys, we're now going to leave these for at least 1 hour, just to rest. Otherwise, as soon as you put them in the oven, they'll shrink back. Right guys, got cheese and onion here. They've rested for a really good hour now. So we'll get them into the oven. They'll be in the oven for around about 35 minutes. And the temperature of the oven is around about 420 Fahrenheit, or new money, 200 Celsius. Right guys, the cheese and onion pasties are ready. Well guys, that puts an end to the latest video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do check out the description below for the recipe and also my playlists. And we'll see you again in the next one. Please do subscribe and share. Laters!